Kurt from Pasadena has some termite trouble.
He's getting some different options to handle it.
There
all
are
right?
several.
Yeah, Kurt writes, multiple companies have given me treatment estimates. One said they do not dig a trench around the house. They just push a rod down a couple feet and inject the chemical into every couple feet around the house. Others will dig trenches where needed. Kurt wants to know, which do you think is best?
Well, the trenches have always been the mainstay. I mean, that's the way you get full coverage. And it's a Termidor product they're using, so you want to make sure it's fully covered all the way around. So I think the trenching is the best way. It's not that big a deal. It's just a little sharpshooter shovel. They don't dig that much, and then they
don't come in with like a ditch witch and
no, it's not a big deal. So That's been the mainstay. You have the Centricon system too, which a lot of companies use, and what they do is they put the bait out in the yard, and it's poison bait. And so once the termites take it, they take it back to the nest, and they kill everybody. It's just disease that spreads. Termidor is the same way as far as trenching around. So I like the Termidor method. Every time I've ever had to use it on a house I've had.
That would be the trenching one?
The trenching, and then they pour the chemical down nice and even, and then they cover it back up, and you don't disturb it, and it lasts a long time. And it also is not a barrier. People always think you're putting up a wall. You're not. You would encourage the termites to get into it because they'll take it back to the nest, and then they eradicate the colony.
There you go.
Yep. It's just a spreading of a poison, like... Well, I won't say that. I won't say anything else.
Don't say
no, you
don't say that. I know. It's like the name of a beer. I understand. All right, you got a question? We would be happy to help you cure any problems you have around the house. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. And subscribe to our channel and click the bell, and you'll know when we post a new one.